Hi everyone! It's been a week since SB19's Simula at Wakas World Tour Kick-Off Concert. And yes, we're still not over it, so I decided to make a mini vlog about it. And here we are, first in line sa priority lane ng VIP area. No son, anong pakiramdam pumanhik sa walang hanggang hagdan? Ayan, ako nakumanta ng background music. There you go, the strapping. Nakakatuwa talaga dahil sobrang organized nila, as in. Kami pa lang sa photo wall niyan, wala pang pila, kaya nakakatuwa. Wala ring pila sa merch. Pati sa lanes and sa queuing, grabe, sobrang organized. OMG! Bias, I love you! First song nila yung Tungka, and nagulat ako sa laki ng stage. Nahirapan talaga ako mag-fan ka mga B kasi hiwa-hiwalay sila. By this time, I've got goosebumps all over.
Magpakilala muna tayo sa group. Okay. Paano ba? 1, 2, 3, go! Get in the zone! Pray! Yeah! SB19!
Mga outfits na yung na nakikita namin.
And ain't nobody else gonna do